Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe. Today we're in Miami and I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna show you how Miami Beach looks like. The view on my back is classic. Big check, of course. I'm wearing my husband's shirt, and then I have shorts, and then my bestie got me this bag from Aldo. We got 2 watches all the way from Kenya. I got these glasses at a random restaurant, and the wig is from BGM Hair as usual.
Some juice and coffee?
Only coffee, please.
I got dropped at Colin Ave and I decided just to walk around and see how the area was like in general. I also got to admire fancy cars. Got a lip gloss at Target because my lips were very dry. This feet for the beach, and it's also found here. This is where I bought it in Target. It's really good, so yeah. I decided to go back to the beach area because I was done shopping, but then I was so hot and I needed something to cool off, so I got into this random restaurant because they were playing Afrobeats. It was so good. I was so happy. There was a lady next to me who was celebrating her birthday and they were complimenting me. I couldn't put this music because of copyright issues, but we're just gonna enjoy this time as I just cool off and get ready to go to the beach. I'd called my mom at that time. I was planning for when I was getting home. This was my last day before I got home for the weekend. So yeah, just me having a good time. And if you like my necklace, FYI, you can shop it on my Amazon storefront. I got it as a gift from my husband. It has Kenya and Africa all in one. Entrance of Miami Beach, and I'm so excited just to go to the beach because it reminds me of home. So let's go. So one thing I read about the beach is that there are a lot of rentals. You don't have to carry anything. You can rent anything here. Reminds me of home, my parents, and especially Miami. It's very Sunday, so yeah, definitely reminds me of my home and where I grew up. I love the sun. Let me know what other beaches in Miami I should try. Now it's time to go. Thank you. So you could rent this stuff. I think I heard that they go for like 60 for 2 or 30 for 1. And then there's a place that sells drinks there, so you can get some. Yeah, like about the beach too, like there's so many trash cans. See, gotta store all your dirt in the trash can and keep the environment healthy. Now but you can see so many people are coming. It's a weekday, but it's busy. Also like volleyball courts where you could play. You can see on the far end the people playing.